If you've been having trouble with your iPhone speaker sound being too low, don't worry, we've got you covered. Today I'm going to show you several tips and tricks to boost your iPhone speaker volume. Let's get started. First, let's check a few basic things. Open the Settings app on your iPhone, tap on Sound and Haptics. This is where you can adjust various sound settings. On the ringer and alerts, make sure the volume slider is set to a high level. Drag the slider to increase the volume. While you're here, make sure Change with Buttons is turned on. This will let you adjust the ringer volume using the physical volume buttons on the side of your iPhone. Next, let's check the Do Not Disturb feature. Go back to the main settings menu and tap on Focus or Do Not Disturb. Make sure that Do Not Disturb is turned off, as it can sometimes affect sound settings. Now let's check if there is any obstruction. Ensure that your iPhone speaker area isn't covered or blocked by a case or debris. Sometimes a simple cleaning can make a big difference. Next, try restarting your iPhone. This can often resolve temporary software glitches. To restart, press and hold the side button along with the volume up or down button until the slide to power off slider appears. Slide to turn off, then press and hold the side button again to turn your iPhone back on. If none of these solutions work, you might want to consider contacting Apple support or visiting an Apple store for further assistance. And that's it. Hopefully these tips have helped boost your iPhone speaker sound.